Am I just a saucy girl?
Cooking is a science, y'all. Hi friends, thanks for joining. We are going to make another, what we hope is a delicious and easy recipe for the fall. And we are making a vegan dish by Deliciously Ella, which is a chickpea and mushroom dish. It's creamy, it's warm, and we just know it's going to be delicious because it's from Deliciously Ella. All the details, as always, is in the link below in our description.
Okay, so we're gonna start sauteing our onions and garlic first. So we need a little olive oil, sliced onions. So I'm gonna add the garlic in. And I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt while this sautés.
So this recipe seems really easy because there's just two parts. And I like to compartmentalize my instructions. So there's the main like meaty part, the chickpeas and the mushrooms. And then there's the creamy portion. And then you just throw it all in together at the end.
Okay, so now that the onion and the garlic has softened, we're going to add our mushrooms. So we're gonna let this cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes till it's really soft and all the flavors really come out. So we're gonna get started on the cream sauce, the vegan cream sauce.
Well, let me tell you what's in the sauce. There's only a few ingredients. So get your blender ready. We're gonna use almond milk, juice from 1 lemon, and some cashews. So I know that's gonna be a nice nutty flavor. More garlic, which I love.
Well, actually, roasted garlic. Did you roast your garlic?
No, and that's why I forgot to say it. So I ran out of time, so I did not roast mine. So I already know mine's not going to taste as good. A little bit of Dijon mustard. And a special ingredient, well maybe not so special to the vegan crowd, but nutritional yeast, which I did not know about and I do not have, and I thought I could replace with regular yeast, but Kat did some education on me.
So it's yellow and it's flaky, and it says that it adds savory, nutty flavor, and I took a little taste of it and it has that great umami flavor.
So let's cream it up.
Yep.
Done?
Yep. Next is our chickpeas, which is also known as garbanzo beans. And then we're gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of the cream sauce that we just made.
Just 3?
Yeah, it says just 3. And it says that if you want it creamier, you can add more. Yeah, I just added 3 and it looks like I need to add more.
Yeah, I like mine sauced too.
Yeah, I think I like pouring this whole thing in almost.
I might, I was gonna say, all right, cheers.
I mean, all right, are you ready to try this?
Yes, ready. 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Kat, I used coconut milk instead of my almond milk. Because I was looking at this, I was like, why is there a picture of a coconut on the carton? I picked up the wrong milk.
Okay, so you used coconut milk, you didn't have nutritional yeast, and you didn't roast your garlic.
Is it always just, it's just me. It's me. Anyway, if you can relate, then you and me, okay? We're gonna cook together. We're gonna get through it. Each recipe we make. So speaking of which, let's go to our scoring system on, you wanna do ease of making first? I think we do the ease of making first.
That one we can agree on. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 5, how easy was this recipe to follow and make?
Ready?
Yeah, so easy.
Let's vote on taste. Does she love it or will she leave it?
4.5.
I loved it. it was still really good. And honestly, I think I'm gonna make it again the right way just to compare the differences. But Kat, why 4.5 for you?
I think the problem for me is that the recipe said 3 tablespoons of the cream sauce, and I think I added like 15 or 16. And it's not only because I like it creamy, but it just felt really dry.
The chickpeas itself is probably the drier element, but I would describe mine as creamy.
I do notice the roasted garlic in it. Not sure about the nutritional yeast. I don't really taste it. I do have a little umami flavor as I chew and swallow it, so that is noticed. So that's probably from the nutritional yeast.
For me, I would just describe it as good. I don't have real specific critiques, but I think, which isn't helpful, except I think it gives it points in that the flavors really melded well together, which I think is something I found with her curry dish that we made. Just with all the different spices, it just, I didn't feel like one thing overpowered another. It was just like all worked together, and it was just like good in every bite.
We highly recommend this. Try it out. Wait for a nice cool autumn night and make this for dinner. It's fun and it's different, and this is our little vegan journey, trying out some new recipes. So make sure you guys come back next week to see what Gina and I are making for the rest of our fall series. So we appreciate you guys coming. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.